Good morning, everyone. So, today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter 3, taking care of our environment. So, at the end of this chapter, you will be able to know what is environment, what is pollution, and the types of pollution like air pollution, water pollution, land pollution, and noise pollution, and ways to reduce pollution. So, our first topic is our environment. Most of the things that surround us, air, water, land, plants, animals and humans, are parts of the earth's environment. So, firstly, the word environment means to encircle and surround. So, environment is the thing that encircle or surround us. So, we can say that environment means surrounding or condition in which we live. If you look around or if you see in this picture, you can see animals, plants, air, water, buildings, mountains and humans. So everything we can see around or everything we see around is our environment. So the things around us form our environment, and these things can be living or non-living both, like sun, moon, stars, clouds, air, mountains, water. These are non-living things and these are found in nature, so that is why these are known as natural things also. Now things like house, road, furniture, plastic, etc. are the man-made things. Because we made these things, these are known as man-made things. Now our environment must be clean so that we lead a healthy life. So see, our needs and wants are endless. We need air to breathe, we need water to drink, we need food to eat, a house to live in and clothes to wear. We can't stay alive without these things, and because of these needs, our natural resources are getting used very fast. So we can say that our greed or our need for more and more things is polluting the environment. Now the pollution. The process by which the earth's environment is damaged due to human activities is known as pollution. The harmful materials that cause pollution are called pollutants. There are various types of pollution such as air, water, land and noise pollution. So in easy language we can say that when we make nature dirty, it is called pollution. Pollution is the presence of unwanted substance or unwanted things in our environment. Now, what is pollutants? See, pollution and pollutants. So, pollution is the process by which the earth's environment is damaged. And what is pollutant? So, substances which is present in nature and causes the pollution is called the pollutants. Anything which make our environment dirty, that particular thing is known as pollutants. And the process by which our environment is become dirty is known as pollution. So don't be confused between the pollution and pollutants. Now there are many types of pollution like air pollution, water pollution and noise pollution. So first is air pollution. So when harmful gases, dust particles, fumes and smoke are introduced into the air, they cause air pollution. Trees help in removing harmful particles from the air. So cutting down of trees leads to increase in air pollution. Polluted air harms humans, animals, birds, plants and other living things as well. Breathing in polluted air can make us sick. See, as we all know that we all need air to live, and trees and plants helps to keep the air fresh. See, air pollution occurs when gases, smoke, dust get into the air and make it dirty. Air gets polluted due to different human activities like smoke emission by factories, busting of firecrackers on festival, smoke from vehicles, and when we burn wood or garbage, it releases a lot of gases into the air and it's make the air dirty. See, there are so many effects of air pollution, like air pollution causes lung diseases, breathing problems like asthma. Okay, polluted air is bad for plants and animals both. See, smoke from cars and factories and burning of garbage pollute the air. So you can see this picture. smoke from the cars, smoke from the factories, and smoke from the garbage. Burning of garbage pollute the air. Now water pollution. When harmful things such as garbage or waste is mixed up with water, it causes water pollution. Polluted water is dirty and impure. It cannot be used for drinking, cooking or cleaning ourselves. So drinking polluted water can make us sick. See, living beings cannot survive without water. Water is needed by everyone. We need water to drink, for cooking, for bathing, for cleaning. Water is also used to generate electricity. So there are some activities that causes water pollution, and these activities are like throwing waste into rivers, like bathing, washing clothes and utensils in water bodies like rivers, lakes or ponds, bathing animals in ponds, lakes and rivers, release of industrial waste into rivers, and dumping waste into water bodies. See, water pollution causes many diseases. If we drink polluted water, we too may fall ill. So you can see this picture. Waste thrown into water bodies pollute the water and cause harm to organisms living in water. So polluted water also harm to the organisms which living in water. So air pollution and water pollution is done. So in next class we will do the land pollution and noise pollution and ways to reduce the pollution. Thank you.